I'm an MSME coordinator at C-DAC Bangalore. In case from C-DAC front, any help is required with respect to HPC, I take it up. And also, I am in charge of HPC outreach activities. This outreach activity includes application enablement, user support, conducting courses, training, etc. And also, the day job is Param Supercomputer operations and administration along with my team members. Yeah, with the small note, I'll move on. Today, my 10 minutes talk is scheduled like this. I just quickly talk about C-DAC's journey with respect to Param series of supercomputers, supercomputer and HPC, one are the same more or less, and offerings of Param Utkash, because today's talk is on Param Utkash supercomputer, its offerings alone I'll be focusing, and it's a little bit about the architecture, etc. Then comes about what is the readiness with respect to HPC application and AI MLDL tools. That's all I'll be explaining quickly at a product level rather. Yes, in 1991, this first indigenous supercomputer amazed the world in 1991. It was 5 gigaflops. And indigenous means was a purely indigenous, starting from network, processor, every aspects of it. Today we buy Cray, assemble, whatever, that's fine. But that was the thing happened in 1991. And after 10 years, fine, another supercomputer called Param Padma. Meanwhile, in between some other products as a service was launched. I'm not covering, okay? I have brought only key deliverables of C-DAC to this forum. Yeah, that was 1 teraflop. Again, after 10 years, Param UR2 was brought for the scientific community, and it was 500 teraflop. After 10 years, see already, and these are all the HPC as a service. Well. And C-DAC has a capability and also delivered HPC as a product also. Param Shavak, and for the bioinformatics community, we have done the biochrome, like that. So it's a couple of things. I am not listing all those things here. So what I'm HPC as a service, HPC as a product, both we have experience. Then after 7 years, like 2020, and next after 10 years, Param Siddhi AI, that's a product name. It is 5.26 petaflop supercomputer deployed in C-DAC, Pune. This is the fastest supercomputer in India during 2020. And it is supported by National Supercomputing Mission. Even today, every six months once, the fastest supercomputer will be evaluated, validated, and rated. And even now, today also, Param Siddhi is the fastest supercomputer in India, and it is exclusively for AI research. Well, see, that means we have traveled 30 years in HPC at various capacity, research, development, service, user support, R&D, compiler design, various aspects. So, but always we were associated with the researchers and universities, not very much to the, industries, as some here and there countable kind of pharmaceuticals were there with us, okay, but not in a major way. But now, for the first time, Government of India's initiative, Param Utkash, is dedicated for MSMEs, not just MSMEs, or industries, entrepreneurs, etc. So this is the Param Utkash supercomputer, is 838 teraflop system, is exclusively for, dedicated for MSME, and it is ready for industry use, and industries are being used. Next couple of slides, I will take you people to demonstrate what is the configuration and how it is being used, what is the readiness. When I say HPC and AI, what is the readiness, right? Yeah, Param Utkash offerings quickly. HPC as a service means Param Utkash can provide CPU and GPU resource as a service. And when we say HPC, of course, scheduler, we are using the SLUM. Accordingly, the training will be provided. Well, after also, we have, it is enabled with parallel programming libraries for parallel processing. Both storage as well as CPU resource, GPU resource are available as a service. Next comes modeling and simulation. Actually, it depends on respective domain requirement, whatever to be modeled, and shortly EDA tools, okay, that will be hosted on Param Utkash for semiconductor related automation. So maybe another 1 or 2 months' time, it will be hosted on Param Utkash. And obviously, HPC means the back, see, MLDLA, various discussions happening from the morning, I'm also listening. Everything is fine at the back end, some compute resources are required. That goes by trust, by geographical boundary, I mean, what is your type of product, trust factor, various things we are discussing, right? So our Param Utkash is enabled with MLDLA libraries and tools and libraries also. So these are the current, and other services will be getting added. As on now, this is the readiness of our system. Quickly, we'll run through about Param Utkash features, not much time I'll take. Well, yeah, this is the Param Utkash, okay, peak performance is 838 teraflop, in the sense we have 146 compute nodes, and also it is designed with the Intel Xeon processor. We are using 8268 processor, and also it is having for each compute nodes, I just now told, Param Utkash has 146 compute nodes, and each compute node is having 48 cores, and also it has got 192 GB memory, and also there is a small group, like 40-50 compute nodes is having 768 GB of memory. Why? Based on the requirement, it is the government of India's National Supercomputing Mission has deployed this, proposed the system and deployed. So these are the configuration RFP designed by both jointly by C-DAC as well as ISC. So these are the, during the RFP it is decided to have this kind of configuration. And also for the GPUs, we have NVIDIA V100 interface. We don't have TPUs this point of time in this system. And also totally it will come to 50,000 compute cores we have. Yeah, it is not just CPU alone, both CPU as well as GPU. Together it is coming up to 50,000. Just one more thing, you can see the liquid cooling technology we are using, it matters a lot. So because of this, whenever you say HPC system, the challenge, one of the major challenges is cooling also. So it is liquid cooling technology is used. Then it is integrated BMS. Yeah, when I say uptime, how? Because we have Siemens's BMS equipment we are using to monitor the health or a status of all data center ecosystem, like starting from DG, diesel generator, UPS, transformer, fire detector, fire suppressor, smoke detector, fire suppressor, humidity, temperature monitoring, everything. Apart from the IT infrastructure, BMS is supported by Siemens. Of course, 7-layer security as per the Tier 3 data center is in place. This is a quick architecture, nothing much to say. I just want to tell here, the industries across India can take benefit of the supercomputer. Both internal user and external user can use. This is high availability, so everywhere that as per Tier 3, high availability is taken care in the design level itself. Yeah, this about I told about the services, its configuration and facility, that's it. Now, I just want to tell what is the readiness of HPC and AI applications. See, HPC application currently being used is bioinformatics, then we have those HAMO, MEME, these are all already, and then comes the molecular dynamics, NAMD labs. Molecular dynamics application, they want single server, code is not parallelized. They want in a single server, a single compute node, they want huge memory, RAM. Okay, so that is why we have a small group of servers with the 768 GB of most memory. That internally we take care of allowing, configuring, access control, all those things we are capable of doing. Just I'm talking about the availability point of technology. Anyway, we will be able to take care. The third one is quantum chemistry, quantum espresso, Abinito, CP2K. All this already installed, and computational fluid dynamics. Okay, this is a major area where widely they use our supercomputers, or HPC system majorly, open foam, FTS and all. Then comes the this one, climate, ocean, and weather forecast modeling. So WRF, REC-CM and all like that. You all know that already Pratyush, many systems are already there in, they're exclusively for weather forecasting, modeling, etc. But of course, it is being executed in our Param Utkash also. These are currently readily available, and industries and researchers are using supercomputer for these applications. Let us move about now in AI. What is the readiness of AI in Param Utkash? All DL framework is enabled with PyTorch and NUDNN, all Jupyter, etc. Those, and we have even what is that data science tools also, Rapids, NumPy, various versions, and all open source softwares are there. And if there's any commercial software request, it will be deployed and access control will be provided. And Jupyter Hub, it is integrated. So these are the currently readily available at Param Utkash. With this, yeah. And for any clarification or any stakeholders can access our Param Utkash website, where you find all the details related to whatever details stakeholders need, like user manual, then videos, then how to become a collaborator or a user. All the details are available in the configuration, brochures. Everything is publicly available in this website, in our project website. Yeah, over and above, for any collaboration, training, resource or a service, or they can write to, I have shared my email ID, you can write to me. Otherwise also, I am also a member of alias here, utkarsh-support@cdac.in, anybody can write to us. We will get back to them. Yeah, that's what. Currently, our resource are, we all know HPC is required from e-science to finance, or it can be even for healthcare. Everywhere, HPC is the need of the day. Okay, whether your technology you may use HPC, whether the parallel programming, AI, etc., whatever it is, fine, but the back-end high-performance computing system is need of the day. And the top, we all know that in the worldwide, top 500 supercomputers are rated, and India top 772 supercomputers are rated. These are all the these are the current status is available. All the supercomputer details are available in top 500 website. This is ours is one of the supercomputer, one among them. So we C-DAC is very proud to host, proud for hosting Param Utkash supercomputer, which is the, state-of-art world-class HPC infrastructure. Thank you.